In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDT on Binance P2P using Payoneer. To get started, log into your Binance account and head over to the P2P trading section. This is the area on Binance where users can buy and sell crypto directly with one another using different payment methods. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you are on the buy side, since the goal here is to purchase USDT. Next, set your buying currency to either US dollars or euros, depending on which balance you plan to use. Choosing the correct currency is important because it helps you find offers that match the funds available in your payment account. After that, use the payment method filter and select Payoneer. This will narrow down the list of available sellers so you only see merchants who accept payment through Payoneer, making the process much easier and more relevant. Now, review the available offers carefully and choose an eligible seller. Don't rush this part. It's a good idea to look at the seller's completion rate, number of completed orders, and any trade limits shown in the listing. These details can help you pick a reliable offer that fits the amount you want to spend. Once you find the right seller, click Buy USDT to open the order. At this stage, Binance will show you the seller's payment details and the exact amount you need to send. Carefully follow the instructions shown on the order page. Then go to your Payoneer account and send the funds directly to the seller using the provided Payoneer details. Make sure the payment amount matches the order exactly and always double check the recipient details before confirming the transfer. Accuracy here is very important because mistakes can delay the release of your crypto. After you've completed the transfer from Payoneer, return to Binance and mark the order as paid. This notifies the seller that the payment has been sent and prompts them to verify the transaction. Once the seller confirms receipt, Binance will release the USDT to your account. One important tip is to keep all communication and actions within the Binance order process so everything remains properly documented. Also, only mark the order as paid after you have actually sent the funds.